Hi, this is Mark, and this is another TechPinas tech tutorial. Are your wireless earbuds not charging? Here's a possible fix or solution. Get a dry and clean cotton swab. Use it to clean the metal charging plates of Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Carefully remove all dirt and grime. Use the cotton swab to clean the charging case. Carefully remove dirt and grime from the metal charging pins at the bottom of the case. Check if this initial process was able to fix the issue. If not, spray water and alcohol mixed with a cotton swab for better cleaning. Do this only if your earbuds and charging case are splash-proof, and do it with caution. Carefully clean the metal charging plates of the earbuds more thoroughly with a wet swab. Carefully and thoroughly clean the metal pins of the charging case using the wet swab. Wait for the earbuds and the charging case to dry completely before checking if the process worked. If it didn't, maybe your earbuds or charging case have physical damage. Get after-sale service. I highly recommend Joyroom Bluetooth Wireless Earbuds.